Ever feel like your QR codes are sleeping on the job, static, uninspired, ignored? What if every scan could be a vivid brand experience instead of a missed opportunity? Think about it. How many times have you seen generic black and white QR codes plastered on menus, flyers, or packaging only to scroll right past? Those plain QR codes cost you engagement, customer curiosity, and the chance to reinforce your brand identity. In today's crowded marketplace, a plain QR code is like whispering in a noisy room. You simply don't get heard. But here's the good news. With every scan, you have a fresh opportunity to connect, to impress, and to convert. A well-designed QR code isn't just a link, it's a digital handshake, a promise of quality, and a seamless bridge from the physical world to your online universe. Imagine a code that looks like an extension of your logo, that sparks curiosity, and that drives people straight to your best content.
Enter brandedqrcode.com, your one-stop platform for transforming ordinary codes into powerful brand ambassadors. No more generic squares. No more design guesswork. We combine intuitive technology with smart automation, so you get stunning, scan-ready QR code designs in under a minute. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click on our design assistant, upload your logo or any key image onto our canvas. Position it exactly where you want. Step 2. Instant design generation. Click Generate Designs and watch as our design assistant spins up a curated gallery of unique QR code layouts, each one expertly embedding your logo, colors, and branding elements. Step 3. One-click selection. Browse through your personalized options. Choose your favorite. Enter your link and your branded QR code is ready to download. Need to change where your QR code points? No problem. Update your QR code's URL on the fly. No reprints.
Want to know how your campaign is performing? Our live dashboard shows scan counts updating in real time. Geolocation insights. Pinpoint where your audience is scanning, from New York to Nairobi. Device breakdown. Learn if your users prefer mobile, tablet, or desktop. All data feeds give you the actionable insights you need to optimize marketing and boost ROI.
From upload to download in under 60 seconds, our streamlined process frees you from design hassles so you can focus on strategy. Skip expensive agencies and steep learning curves. BrandedQRCode.com delivers professional-grade results at a fraction of the cost and in record time. Ready to elevate your QR codes? Start with our 7-day free trial. No credit card required. Choose the plan that fits your needs, from solo creators to enterprise teams. Visit brandedqrcode.com now.